In this video, I will show you how to install mouse drivers in Windows 11. First, open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and click to open it. Once inside, click the drop-down arrow next to Mice and Other Pointing Devices, then locate your mouse from the list. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Then choose Search Automatically for drivers to let Windows check for any updates. If the issue is still not fixed, close the window, right-click on your mouse again, select Update Driver. Then choose Browse My Computer for drivers, and click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers. From here, select Hid Compliant Mouse, and click Next, then check if the problem is solved. If your mouse is still not working, right-click on it again, click Uninstall Device, confirm uninstall, then unplug your mouse, wait about 10 seconds, and plug it back in so Windows can automatically reinstall the driver. If it still doesn't work, and you're using a branded mouse like Razer or Logitech, open your browser and download their official software like Razer Synapse or Logitech Options, install it, and update your drivers from there. Once done, your mouse should be working properly again. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.